Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Shiba Inu price is about to double this night. Huge. Shib news. Cryptocurrencies are gaining popularity and acceptance, with new coins and tokens regularly hitting the market, like Shiba Inu and the launch of Shibarium. Shibarium is an upcoming Layer 2 or L2 blockchain network built on Ethereum for Shiba Inu. It will transform Shiba Inu, a meme coin, into a complete ecosystem. In this video, we will talk about Shiba Inu price is about to double this night. Huge. Shib news. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu has become a significant meme coin and has secured a position in the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The team behind Shib has maintained a steady pace of development and various projects. The Shib ecosystem has been quite known for its notable benchmarks and milestone achievements. In one of the recent milestones, Binance unveiled the decision to move Shiba Inu out of the innovation zone on April 18. According to the details of a recent announcement, the largest cryptocurrency exchange has unveiled its decision to move Shiba Inu, alongside other tokens including Frax Share, Trust Wallet Token, and 1inch, out of the innovation zone on April 18th. Binance mentioned in the announcement that the innovation zone was introduced to give Binance users a safe place to trade new and innovative projects. Over time, some of these projects may have proven their worth and meet the high level of standard that we expect. Binance stated that after careful reviews, the exchange has decided to move Shib and these other tokens out of the innovation zone. Shib attained this milestone after Binance conducted reviews based on various factors. So, an individual created a script for the creation of millions of wallets in an attempt to stress test the network. Puppynet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network, continues to witness a spike in the number of hosted wallets, prompting curiosity regarding the underlying cause of this sudden spike. According to recent disclosures, a script was developed to generate millions of wallets to stress test the network. A team member behind ShibPixel, a Shiba Inu-based NFT project, disclosed in a recent tweet. The individual revealed that they authored a script that generated over 9.5 million wallets on Puppynet and carried out over 3 million transactions on the beta network. In addition, the team member went on to reveal that they were also accountable for developing around 1,620 tokens on the test network. ShibPixel DAO, SPP DAO, and ShibPixel Token, SPPX, are among these tokens. Data from PuppyScan, the designated block explorer for Puppynet, shows that the network currently boasts an impressive 13.3 million wallet addresses, with a transaction count of over 3.47 million. Recall that the number of wallets recently surged by 86% within 2 days, exceeding 5 million. This script was the catalyst behind this remarkable spike. The objective of the test network is to provide interested stakeholders with an opportunity to conduct various tests on the network to verify its effectiveness and dependability before its launch on the mainnet. As repeatedly emphasized by Satoshi Kusama, the Shiba Inu lead, all activities, tokens, and transactions observed on the testnet are purely for testing purposes and are not real. Developing a script to generate millions of wallets on the test network is a praiseworthy effort, since it can aid in evaluating the scalability and efficiency of the blockchain. Additionally, it can help in detecting any potential bugs or glitches that may occur during the process. Stress testing the network is crucial for assessing its reliability. The script creators stated they aimed to evaluate the network's ability to handle high-traffic situations like games and airdrops. In addition, they mentioned running an airdrop script and other tests to assess the network's transaction time, resilience, and other capabilities. As of now, there have been no reported bugs. In the past month of March, the Shib burns have been quite impressive. In March, 6.78 billion Shib tokens were burned with 540 transactions. Both the absolute number of Shib destroyed and the number of transactions thus showed a significant increase compared to the previous months. The March burn was the highest since October 2022, when 9.05 billion Shib were burned in 2,433 transactions. Yesterday, the Shib burn tracker announced that over 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 transactions, with 25.31 million Shib coming from a single wallet. This largest transaction came from the Coinbase-associated wallet Coinbase 10, which transferred a whopping 25,313,097 SHIB to the burn address in a single transaction. This transaction caused the total burn rate by 1,108% compared to the previous day, 2.93 million SHIB. A sign of the upward trend also comes from the futures market. Since the beginning of March, Shiba Inu has seen an increase in open interest, OI. The metric is the number of active positions investors have taken in contracts. According to CoinGlass data, the number of open futures has exceeded 2.4 trillion SHIB, equivalent to about $26.78 million. Just a month ago, OI was only around $18 million. The increase in open interest is evidence of traders' growing interest in SHIB. When the SHIB price hit its yearly high of $0.0001591 in early February, the OI was $47.3 million. At press time, the Shiba Inu price stood at $0.0001083. As discussed on News BTC, the SHIB price is currently trading in an ascending triangle, which is a continuation pattern. With today's dip to $0.0001064, SHIB has written a new higher low. Therefore, the uptrend remains intact. A final decision on whether the bulls or bears prevail could come by the end of April. Shiba Inu has begun capturing investors' attention of late, as its futures open interest, OI, recently skyrocketed to 2.4 trillion tokens, $27.51 million, amid a gradual uptick that started a month ago. This rising pattern suggests a renewal of interest, eliciting anticipations of a price surge. Futures open interest refers to the total number of outstanding futures contracts not settled or closed out by an offsetting trade. Essentially, it represents the number of contracts that are still active and held by the market participants. When an asset's open interest increases exponentially, it generally suggests that a significant amount of new money flows into the market and that traders are taking positions in anticipation of price movements. Per data from CoinGlass, a futures trading intelligence platform, Shiba Inu's open interest has increased by over 52% from the low of $18.05 million witnessed on March 13 to the current level of $27.51 million worth of SHIB tokens, 2.4 trillion. The OI chart reveals a correlation between SHIB's open interest and its price action, as the asset's price often registers an uptick when its OI increases. OI increased to 3.2 trillion tokens, $47.3 million on February 5th. This was accompanied by a surge in SHIB's price to $0.0001527 on that day, the asset's highest value this year. However, SHIB's OI started declining after February 5th, and the asset's price also began registering dips. Following a decline to the low on March 13th, the open interest is again witnessing a surge in value. Investors are expecting the asset's price to follow suit. Renewed demand for SHIB has also been noticed in trade volume on Binance. Since dropping to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8th, Shiba Inu's volume on Binance has steadily increased daily in the past 4 days. Volume for today currently stands at 2.44 trillion tokens. Despite its current underperformance, SHIB is looking to break above an ascending triangle it is currently stuck in amid the extended consolidation period. The asset is currently trading for $0.000011, down 0.97% in the past 24 hours, but up 0.8% in the past 1 hour. A break above the triangle could see SHIB target the February highs of $0.000015. Recent trends suggest that the asset has become a favorite among market participants, and an increase in demand could support its goals. CoinMarketCap's Q1 2023 report disclosed that SHIB was among the top 3 most viewed assets across all continents. The Shiba Inu community also recently teased an iconic partnership with legendary musician Scott Page, as well as an NFT collaboration with top American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, which would see Storms accept SHIB on his official store. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.